How to set up inspection checklist for all room type in Softinn PMS. As a housekeeping manager, your responsibility is to ensure that the housekeepers have done the cleaning according to the tasks given. In Softinn PMS, we have a feature called as inspection checklist. You can do the inspection checklist setup for all room types. The purpose of inspection checklist is to ensure the tasks given to the housekeepers are done completely. Check out this video to know on how to set up the inspection checklist. Log in to Softinn PMS. Select the correct property. Then, go to Setup. Select Housekeeping. Next, select Inspection Checklist. Select the correct room type. Click on Add Inspection Item and insert the description. Remember to click Save this item and click Yes, add it. You can duplicate the inspection checklist from the other room types. Select Copy from another checklist. Select the room types that you want to duplicate. There are two options to duplicate the inspection checklist. 1. Copy and replace. 2. Copy and append. If you select Copy and append, the inspection list item will be added. If you select Copy and replace, the previous inspection item will be replaced by the latest inspection item. Hope this helps you to set up the inspection checklist for all room type in Softinn PMS.
Hello there, my name is and I'm from Softinn's marketing department, and I'm currently one of the digital marketing ninjas. My job here is to work alongside with my team to create content and campaigns in order to reach out to more customers. Thanks again for watching.